I am Chittaluri SN. So today I am going to teach you the very important topic, that is tenses. So most of the students feel this grammar point is very important in learning English. So that's the reason I come before you with this very important topic, tenses. In this tenses, today I am going to teach you about present simple, and it is also called simple present tense, and also it is called present indefinite. So present simple tense, simple present tense, present indefinite tense. So with these three names we can call present simple tense. Okay, so before knowing about it, first and the foremost, you should learn about its form, how this particular sentence is formed, and what's the construction of this simple present tense. That's what you have to learn first. See here, the structure of the form of this present simple tense sentence is subject plus V1 plus object. S for subject, V1 for first form of the verb, first form of the verb, that is base form. Okay, and O for object. So this should be the structure wherever you see that present simple tense or simple present tense, whatever you call it as present indefinite tense, should look like this. Its structure should be like this. So that's what its form is very important for you. That's what you should learn. So let's move on to the examples here. I take coffee. I is the subject, take is the V1, coffee is the object here. So in this sentence, subject is there, and after that first form of the verb is there, and after that object place coffee is there. Coffee is the object here. It is in object place. So this structure implies subject plus V1 plus object. This structure implies that given sentence is in simple present tense form. That is the form of simple present tense. Please remember, wherever you see that this sort of sentence, if you look at this sort of form, grammatical form, where you can look at subject, V1 and object like this, so immediately you can guess it is present simple tense sentence. It is the sentence which is in simple present tense form. It is a sentence which is in present simple tense form. It is a sentence which is in present indefinite tense form. That's what you have to understand. Am I clear, friends? Right. Coming to next example. He eats a cake. He eats a cake. So here, he is the subject, eats is the V1, and a cake is in object place. That's why it is object. So in this sentence also, the structure is like this. First subject is there, and later V1, first form of the verb is there, and later object is there. So with this form, with this structure, we can easily guess that this particular sentence, he eats a cake, is in present simple tense form. It is, so we can call it as a simple present tense. This sentence is in simple present tense or present simple or present indefinite, we can say that. So coming to next sentence also, she cooks food. She, subject, cooks, V1, food, object, present simple. And they watch TV. They, subject, watch, V1, and TV, object, subject, V1, object, like this. These are all examples for simple present tense. These are the sentences with the structure of, with the form of simple present tense. So this is very, very important in your learning, particularly in learning English grammar. So because this plays, these tenses plays an important role in your English grammar. That's what you should keep in your mind. So here, particularly, if anybody asks you that, what is a simple present tense? You must be in a position to guess this structure. You must be in a position to look at this structure. Identify, you have to identify this structure. So by that you will come to know that with the help of its structure, and easily you can understand it is a simple present tense. This particular sentence is in simple present tense. Okay, then it is also already, as I have already told you, that present indefinite tense it is also called. Present indefinite in the sense what? For example, in meaning sense, see that I take coffee. I take coffee in the sense, yes, I take coffee means whether I have taken coffee or whether I am going to take coffee. What is this? I take coffee. Meaning it is indefinite. There is no particular time mentioned here. I take coffee in the sense. So it is not definite. It is indefinite. I take coffee means when should I take coffee? When would I take coffee? No answer for that. I take coffee. I watch movie. I play cricket. I play hockey. I play chess. He plays cricket. He plays hockey. He plays a game. So these are all sentences related to simple present tense only. They are indefinite. That is the reason we call them as present. We call this sort of sentences as present indefinite tenses. Present indefinite simple because there is no particular time is mentioned here. But what's the exact meaning of this sentence if I say that I take coffee daily? If you write here, I take coffee daily, or I take coffee every day. If you write like this, every day, daily activities, all of your daily activities are mentioned in a simple present tense form. That's what you should remember. What? I take coffee every day means taking coffee is my habit. Every day I go on taking coffee. It is my daily routine. It is my daily activity. It is my daily action. So that's why all of your, this is one of the uses of a simple present tense. In our daily routine we use that. All your daily activities, unchangeable actions, your unchangeable actions, your daily activities, your daily routine is mentioned in a simple present tense. That's what you remember. I take coffee every day. He eats a cake every day. Eating a cake is happy. He's happy. So that's why he says that. He eats a cake every day. She cooks food. Cooking food is her daily activity. So that's why we can say that she cooks food. And they watch TV. Watching TV is their daily activity, daily routine. So in such cases, we can use this sentence, they watch TV. But see that your structure should be subject plus V1 plus object. So many other uses are there related to this particular tense, which is the first tense in the course of your tenses learning. It's very, very important tense. So friends, please remember its form, its structure, subject V1 plus object, and you had better learn the uses of it. The most important usage, the most important use of this tense is it is used to describe our daily routine, our daily activities. So that is the use of this simple present tense. Okay, friends? Right. So please make your own examples with the help of this structure which I have taught you now. So definitely it is very helpful to you in learning your English grammar. So no doubt in that you will uh, be improved a lot if you go on watching my video lessons, particularly on tenses like this. So friends, if you like this video lesson, please subscribe my channel Chittaluri SN and like it and share it with your friends. See you in next class, in my next class. See you all, and until then, bye bye. Have a nice day.